Okay, this is a sanity check for the wiring of a AC 75 motor and controller kit from High Performance Electric Vehicles. Just trying to show the connections that I've made, prove and confirm that they are all correct. I'm still getting the issue I'm getting. So if we start with the main contactor, we've got the main high voltage on this side coming in, that's from the battery, and this side we've got it going to the controller B terminal, B plus terminal over there. And on the other side here we've got the B negative terminal going around here and through here, through this shunt, through into this side, onto this side, and this goes away to the battery pack. So we've got the negative side of the battery pack here, and the positive side of the battery pack here. I can show that by a bit of wizardry. Okay, so that's connected to the positive, that's connected to the most negative. We have that's 101 volts, 102 volts from a lead acid traction battery I'm using just to try and get some power into the motor. If I take that off, there it is off, nothing, put it back on again. So that's the traction pack voltage. Okay, so and if we go back to the control side of the main contactor, we have an orange wire here. This orange wire, orange-white wire I should say. This goes to the switched side of here's the switch side of the main contactor, and that goes back, this wire, orange wire, goes back to the controller into this main connector, into the controller. On the other side we have this side, which has a blue-white wire, which is this one. This blue-white wire here goes around and tucks under there and connects to the switch side. That goes back to the controller, a blue-white wire. Also coming out of that, on this side, we have a wire I've used is the blue-green wire, this one here. This goes round here, round there to this pre-charge relay, and then coming from that pre-charge relay, or to that pre-charge relay, I have an orange cable, orange wire. This orange wire goes away down there, through this, through here, through there, into this large connector 35-way one, and into the controller. And then on the switched side of this pre-charge relay, we have a black wire coming off the switch, which is the normally open connection, goes away around here and connects to the main contactor on the B connection, which is actually terminal negative A2. And then on the other side of this connector, this pre-charge relay is the purple resistance wire. So that's the that's the common. Purple is connected to the common on the relay. That goes round on the purple wire down to this side here, through the resistance wire, through this purple, through this purple, through this purple, and into this side, the A side. Okay, we're inside the car now. This is the little diagnostics and controller configurer. We have a little button to change things with, but normally what I would need to do if I was going to start the car, I would put the key switch to on. Okay, and that's saying everything's fine. Apart from I'm not too sure what the battery means. That battery light means flashing. It says RPM 0, and when you change the button, push the button, you can change that to amps 0, amps, volts 0.4. That's a bit worrying. I'm not too sure what that means. Motor temperature 7 degrees C, which obviously has not been working, so it's cold. And the controller temperature is only similar, it's 10 degrees C. Back to revs per minute, and that just scrolls round and round and round. If I now go the next switch on the key switch for to start, that then you get the clicks from the pre-charge, 2 clicks in quick succession, a couple of seconds, maybe a second between, and it automatically goes to code 39. And that's my problem. I can't get past why it's going to code 39. I can get that off if I do it quickly, but you hear no clicks. So nothing's really happening. I think it does it too quick for anything to happen for the pre-charge. So we've got, if we go around again, we've still got the same amps, volts, temperature. Back to revs a minute, but if I turn it off, key switch, and then turn it back on again slowly, I get the initial on setting, and then I go one more click to start, get the 2 clicks and code 39, and sometimes get these lights up here as well. That doesn't always happen. Normally get that code 39 with the flashing battery. Okay, that's the sort of what I'm getting really. Any help would be much appreciated.